New bush hammer line. The best tools for bush hammering and sandblasting concrete, cement, terrazzo, asphalt, and natural stone flooring. Creates a rough profile, ideal for the bonding of coatings, resins, and cementitious or polymeric overlays. Highly effective for removing resins, adhesives, and self-leveling compounds. Perfect for surface preparation stages. Improves slip resistance on wet or sloped surfaces. Ideal for high-traffic areas such as sidewalks or pool surrounds. Quickly exposes aggregate to achieve natural-looking finishes and a fair-faced effect. Available in 3 different finishes, the high-hardness coating and simplified greasing system ensure excellent wear resistance and high performance, reducing both execution time and operating costs. Suitable for all HG hyper grinder machines. Powerful, durable, and reliable. Available in single-phase and 3-phase versions. RTK 280. Compact single-disc floor grinder. High productivity with a minimum investment. Variable speed with rotation up to 1680 RPM. The arrangement of the bush hammer rollers allows uniform finishes in a single pass at high speed. Shock-absorbing joints to reduce impact and vibrations. Flush-to-wall grinding with consistent results in a single pass. RTK 400. Powerful single-disc grinder. 400 millimeters working width. HRC 450 EVS 3-head planetary grinder. Ideal for fast and consistent bush hammering on large surfaces. Extremely easy to assemble and use. Equipped with shock-absorbing joints. Cast iron handle joint for maximum strength. Variable speed control. To make the bush-hammered floor also water-repellent and stain-resistant, use concrete hardener lithium WP. The surface is protected and easy to clean. New HG bush hammer line. The best tools for bush hammering.